On International Sign Language Day, Bengaluru City Police Commissioner B. Dayananda's weekly press conference was translated into sign language by anchor Moksha. Senior officers, including DCPs from across the city, also attended a sign language workshop organized by Vishesh NGO and delivered the briefing. Commissioner Dayananda emphasized that the police are committed to serving everyone in the city regardless of caste, religion, gender or disability. He said this initiative aims to ensure that police communication reaches all sections of the society, helps understand the concerns of people with hearing impairments.
Today is International Sign Language Day, and the theme for this year's International Sign Language Day is Sign Up for Sign Language Rights. Bangalore City Police is always committed to the security, safety of all citizens of Bangalore, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion or their physical abilities or disabilities, and we work with all communities together. Keeping that in mind, today we are celebrating this International Sign Language Day by calling one NGO, that is Vishesh, who are spreading this message of how to communicate with these disabled persons and how to talk to them, how to convey our feelings, opinions, and also at the same time how to understand their opinions, feelings and concerns. And for police department to know the concerns of all sections of the society is very important. Therefore, keeping that in mind, on this occasion we have also organized a small workshop for all our DCP level officers here. Today the Vishesh NGO organization is conducting this workshop to explain the significance and importance of Sign Language Day and also to understand the concerns of this segment of the society. Bangalore City Police, as I told, is always committed to the safety, security of all enlightened citizens of Bangalore.